Good afternoon everybody. My name is Siti Munawaroh, name 2001030131. I'd like to describe my favorite athlete. He is Kevin Sanjaya Sukamuljo, was born in Banyuwangi, Indonesia, to ages 1995, age 25 years old. His nickname is Kevin. He is one of the men's global Indonesian badminton players. Kevin is a player from the Jarum Club in Kudus, Central Java and has joined since 2007. Kevin Sanjaya Sukamuljo is famous for his fast, aggressive, full-blown game and has a very sadistic take on his opponent. Together with Marcus, Kevin won titles from the most prestigious tournament in the world of badminton. Kevin Marcus won 3 Super Series Badminton World Federation tournament, starting from the China Open, All England Open, and Indonesian Open. Thank you.